Hey guys, what's up, Bobby here. Today I'm going to talk about Ubuntu Tweak. It's a free software for Ubuntu users, and this software allows you to pretty much tweak your Ubuntu installation to the little things you want to do with it. It's basic things you can do with the command line, but this makes it easier to use with a graphic interface. So when you get to it, it has application, startup, desktop, personal, and it has system. Application Center allows you to install applications just like when you go to Ubuntu Software Center. Package Cleaner allows you to pretty much clean up the packages that you don't need anymore. Source Center allows you to edit the sources. Like, let's say you want to have the latest version of Banshee, which you can do. You can just install Banshee daily builds and it will install automatically every day. Then you have your source editor. You can edit the sources, which I would not recommend editing unless you know exactly what you're doing. Then you have Update Manager. Like, I have an update for Blender. Then you have login sessions. This is basic stuff, like you can disable user list and for your login screen. Disable show me start button. Disable change the picture icons, the background images. Session control allows you to change window managers and stuff like that. Then you have comp-based settings, which is pretty neat. It has like basic comp-based setting things, but it's still pretty cool if you want to just do a really basic thing like enable workspace switches with the mouse wheel, like I am right now. I usually leave that on because I like it. I don't like the cube because I have to push Control Alt the mouse button. It just takes time. It's quicker to just use the mouse. And I can enable transparent menus. Like right now, it's not transparent. Oh, let's see. Put that there. Now it is more transparent. And yeah, sorry if you hear my dog. He's like barking in his sleep. Then you have basic things like you can enable computer icon on your desktop icons. Really basic stuff. I use a trash icon because it looks cool. I just like having a trash icon on my desktop. There you can do your backup settings if you want to back up your installations, your application, and stuff like that. And you have GNOME settings if you want to. Don't really know, but you have GNOME settings. You have Window Manager. This is like if you want to change where your close button is. You see up right there, I just moved it to the middle. I can move it to the end over there if I want to. It's pretty neat. Okay, putting that back. Then you have your default download locations if you want to change your default download, your default music location. Like if you have a backup hard drive that you use for music, videos, if you have a server or something you connect it to from your music. You can manage your scripts, which I would not really recommend you do unless you know what you're doing. This I never even really tried to mess with before. I'm not sure exactly what it is. It looks like it's just an HTML document template thing. Same with OpenOffice presentations, documents. Then you have computer details, which you can change the host name if you want to change. Like mine is Toxic Ubuntu. If you want to change it to something else, you can change it there. No. File managers if you want to change your default for like your MP3 player or something. Then you have your file manager, which I'm not sure you pronounce that name, so I'm not going to try to pronounce it. And you can just change basic things in it. Delete thumbnail cache. Yeah. Okay. Then you have power management if you want to change for your laptop. It's really more for laptops. If you have a battery, you want to get as much battery as you can change the brightness and all that. Then you have security related stuff. If you want to disable print-in, printer settings, save the disk, fast user switching, disable run application, Alt2, lock screen, things like that. And that's about all of it for this application. I believe I went through every setting here. Yeah, I did. Anyways, peace out. Subscribe, comment, post a video response. Peace.